Howdy y'all, here's a quick tip from the tax deed dude. If you are on the propertyonion site and you happen to look up a property and two of them come up, you can see this is the same property, right? We have the same address, it's the same image. One sold about a month ago for $12,300. That's about appropriate for this area and this size lot. But you got to wonder, why is it coming back, right? So in order to look at that, you'd have to kind of go back to the bidders list, see who bid on it. Most likely this person probably walked away for some reason. And I can only imagine it has something to do with the water here and maybe a flood zone issue, maybe not being able to build. So you can see here, it looks like maybe some boats or some sort of plants or something sticking out of the water. Without doing more further research, I would definitely use caution on on bidding on something like this. This one is coming up, and it would probably be a hard pass if we found out it wasn't buildable.